Hi, I'm Serena Ball, class of 1996, and I'm here to speak at the North Dakota Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Spring Conference, and they had a big focus on bringing the pride of North Dakota to the theme of the conference, which I think is really cool because I'm really proud to have graduated from Concordia. I am a registered dietitian, and I like to help people get back into the kitchen and find shortcuts for cooking healthy meals for their families. So I make healthy recipes on my blog, teaspoonofspice.com, but then I also own a consulting business called Teaspoon Communications, where I do a lot of writing for different commodity groups, and then I also write a column for Food Network called Healthy Eats. I write for that about every month or so, specifically about new foods or healthy kitchen hacks. I love being in the kitchen, I love cooking. I get to do that on a daily basis, and I can call that research. When I'm writing or experimenting with a new technique in the kitchen, I get paid for that. I grew up on a farm in Montana, and we grew or raised all of our food practically. So I saw where my food came from, and I thought it was pretty interesting to learn how food gets from the farm to the plate, but then also what are the really cool nutritional benefits of eating a certain way. And I was interested in science, so that was sort of a natural marriage of strong science to the kitchen, where you actually can take that nutrition science and help your family eat better and help yourself be healthier.